Okay, September 15th, 2024. 61 years ago to the day, September 15th, 1963, Denise McNair and three other girls close in age, she was 11, were murdered by racist terrorists of the Ku Klux Klan in their bombing of an African-American church in Birmingham, Alabama. May the memories of the four girls be blessed. And I mentioned I added some accoutrements to the frame here. I'm a aficionado of the plain frames. Picture frames are boring. School of Visual Art. Anyway, I found an abacus I had bought years ago at a charity thrift shop, and I don't even remember what I used it for. Anyway, I attached it, and I also added a bit of a sea rope here, which I picked up on a beach walk somewhere also years ago. The news last couple of days, I've been watching TV news in the evening and mornings, and Trump's anti-black race hate just continues on unabated with his lies. Some of the media refer to his lies as falsehoods. That's a poor descriptive adjective word usage. It's lies. With his lies, latest that black Haitian immigrants have been stealing, capturing people's pet dogs in a town or city in Ohio and cooking and eating them. And it's been refuted by city officials and by the governor of Ohio. His race hate against blacks continues on unabated, just appalling and disgusting. And it's not just him, there are millions of people who support him. With his also, anti-Hispanic, Hispanic American, anti-Asian, Asian American, his Islamophobia, his anti-Semitism, xenophobia, it just goes on and on and on. The only positive thing I can say about him is at least he's old. Hitler and Mussolini were much younger than Trump is when they came to power in Italy and Germany. All right, there you have it for now.